Hi, my name is Liu Poling, and I'm here to present the case study analysis of MED 1094 People and Organization. Uh, in introduction, the role of HR and organization OD is very different. HR focuses on training and knowledge transfer, while OD focuses on changes. So we all know that working in a diverse and multi-generational cohorts can be challenging, as well as rewarding at the same time because everyone brings their own experience and views from their past experiences. So good HR and OD reduce the turnover and burnout on and untrained teachers, but without HR and OD, a good HR and OD, it causes conflicts, unhappy staff, and can even escalate to unresolved legal issues or bigger problems in the organization. So I pick the case study of Myanmar because I've lived there before, and because the youth, their mission is very inspiring, even that they are in a very difficult, they are living in a difficult time, but they still have a very positive outlook for their youth future. As we all know, that the collapse of the state schools have actually caused um, the education system to collapse in Myanmar since 2021. And Myanmar has 135 ethnic cities such as the Shan people, Karen, Chin, Rakhine, and Bama people. This has caused disunity and divided their education system. And we also know that children were misplaced and living in violence without basic needs. So I have chosen three challenges, and one is teacher retention challenges, which is because they are not paid enough in equitable salary, as well as they because of that, they actually live in poverty. So also because due to the diversity with 135 ethnic cities, Myanmar education scene is very complex. Each ethnic city teaches their own cultural and mother tongue language. And teachers that enroll themselves in the CDM, which is Civil Disobedience Movement, are often without funding and financial support. This has resulted in teachers without accreditation and inequitable salaries, and many teachers are suffering in poverty. Number two, teachers' mental health. They are lacking in social support, intervention due to high risk factors. Because of the military coup has actually like a spy system surveillance that they actually on this community-led school. So they monitor teachers' movement, and there was a case where a teacher was too scared to see an eye doctor, where she wasn't feeling well because of eye. Because of that, she was not uh, she was too scared to even go to a clinic because being scared to be arrested by the army. So this has caused tremendous mental stress and the well-being and the mental state of teachers are not stable. So number three is the limited access to technology and resources. As we understand that this is a war zone for a conflict area, so it is very understandable that the access to technology is limited, and teachers do not have enough resources for students um, to actually have online learning. So I've chosen four theories to identify the root cause of these challenges. First is Maslow theory, which proposed that human motivation is driven by basics psychological needs such as safety, love, self-esteem, um, and advancing to. So with that, they are able to advance to self-actualization to reach their own the full potential. In the case of Myanmar, low accreditation, insecurity, and this has it's very hard for a teacher to actually advance themselves when their basic needs are not met. Number two, it is effective events theory, because this teacher have seen a lot of trauma, so it is important to actually help them to see things in a positive way, especially those teachers that are working for CDM. They have witnessed violence, hardship, and living under surveillance, and very important that this theory can help them to stay positive and recover from from their trauma. From a perspective of Adams' 1963, the equity theory is related to the lack of access to basic infrastructure and technology, which this creates the motivation and perceived injustice and digital exclusion among the Myanmar youth. So similarly, the job demands resources theory is a theory that related to high demands of teaching jobs, which combined with the struggles of providing resources for students. This will cause burnout and high turnover for youth working at community-led school. For the intervention plan, I have three. I've addressed three levels: individual, team, as well as organization. First is the focus for individual. We focus on providing PD to teachers. This is continuous effort so that they are able to um, mentor this teacher as well as in their emotional well-being as well as financial aid for them. For team level, it is a high risk, and because this is a high risk and unsafe environment, it is important to encourage team level integration by collaboration for psychosocial support, which builds teachers' resilience and reduce their stress and improve positivity and mental health for this uh, area that's affected by the civil wars. For organization level, this actually breached the issue of digital divide and widen access of technology private and public organizations. We can actually work with NGOs and community school and families to collaborate to provide improve the digital infrastructures. I know this is not easy, but it can be planned. Um, so this can be a suggestion to at the organization level. The sustainability in continuous will be the continuous PD and digital literacy, workshop mentorship, emotional and well-being to increase teachers to to make sure that their basic needs are met. The inclusion is to focus on the fairness of staff benefits and salary technology and computer and internet access. So this also will be done without gender and age or race discrimination to ensure that everyone has equal access. So, lastly, is the resilience focuses on building mental health as well as emotional endurance, along with counseling initiatives that support post trauma recovery for this teacher and their overall staff well being. Lastly, is the conclusion. So, in any organization, human behavior management and operational issues present complex HR and OD challenges, uh, particularly in a case like Myanmar. So the ongoing conflict in Myanmar has severely disrupted education and caused a significant brain drain. Despite the different difficult circumstances, the youth remain useful in forming a peaceful, inclusive, and sustainable future with access to learning and digitally empowered teachers. So, by addressing the current challenges in HR and OD challenges in education, the vision of Myanmar youth hopefully can gradually become a reality. Thank you.